So, you excited for the little circus movie? Oh yeah! Good. Is it coming to your country? Fuck! Don't worry, little child. Today we're going to do this. And before you goovels go sailing to your local boat cinema. Hello, I'm Daddy Spider. Bubba. You can find cinemas by walking to them, using cars, using trains, you know, shit. I'm going to pick air because have fun getting there, bitches. And you can traumatize the local children. Mammy, what does the word fuck mean? You can ask the ticket master if they can have your movie. The player can tell you. You can ask it online. You could send a mail for the posties. Whenever Royal Mail gets to you. Here's your mail, boy. Hey, I have this one for you. You can send an email. And you can even, I can even call them. Is your fridge running? Thank God I don't know that situation. You didn't answer!
And we might get information because it's hey Jimmy, I bought the house today! Bye! Wait, I think I'll show you. Bye! Hey children, ready for round two?
During the screening, you might see Gangle, and before you go, should I chuck my spoons at her because she owes me money? The answer is yes. Hey, you owe me money. Yeah. Fuck you. Hey, King. Enjoy my king chest your identity crisis. I think he meant to say sex dungeon. What? Whoa. Oh no, it's my trouble where I stole my tool. Oh, I stole my tool. Wait, is that a banana? Hey. I hope nothing bad happens afterwards. Wait, who's that? For me? That's a bitch! Hey! Please! She missing go my green! They don't kill her! No. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it's already in there. Worship me. You bitch.